Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Porsche Cayenne, and if your rear left light does not work guys, stay with us and we'll demonstrate what could be wrong with it. Okay, it could be guys a fuse that controls the whole left light. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on a Porsche Cayenne, first generation, years from 2002 all the way until 2010. Stay with us guys, please subscribe. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. All we need in return, a thumb up and a subscribe guys. Now, let me show you rear left light now. Okay. Rear left light. If it doesn't work, okay, this light right here will show you which fuse guys you need to check. We need to come on the passenger side now, open that door. Okay, right here now we have one cover. Under this cover is where the fuses are. So we need to remove it with a plastic panel removal tool guys. All the parts and tools that we use are listed in the description of the video below. So we have 5 clips. Fuse number 14 guys. Fuse number 14 is the very first one on the second row. So this row here, the very first one. Okay, this is the one for the light. We'll go ahead and replace it now. Okay, turn it on again. Put it in and we'll turn the car on and see if our light works now. So let's check that one out quick and see if that is going to take care of the problem or not. Hopefully it does. Okay, ignition in, a key in, ignition on. So definitely guys, everything works as it should. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.